Hey guys!
Hi!
This is our first,
It's Pokemon!
Pokemon!
What's your technology do? Does it say like is there?
You better hang out with
Really good.
Scoop that poop.
It's really good. So,
We got brisket, we got a little piece of bread, and we got coleslaw.
Dima has to taste test the pickle first.
Yo,
Pickle
This one is
like
normal.
mama makes it better. Let's see.
Looks like a typical dill pickle. It's really good. Dill pickle.
okay then.
It's like the traditional American style pickle.
Okay, Mark Wiens. Okay.
it's sweet.
Okay. A little bit smoky, but not as smoky as something that's been smoking for, 12 hours.
There's a lot of fat.
And there's a lot of fat. And I think the longer you smoke it actually, the less fat there is. So it shows like it's not completely cooked through. But, this is not like a smokehouse or anything like that, right? So you're not gonna get that quality that you expect.
I would have asked for a better piece, but that one looks good.
What would you have done?
Hey, bro.
But
They gave you pretty much all fat. Hey, bro, can I get another one?
fat on the stick.
I'm not happy about this one. I can't say this is the best barbecue I've had. I've been to like at least 10, 15 places in Texas for
Average
barbecue.
at best, right?
Yeah, this is like bottom 30th percentile. Not the worst. I've been to a place that was really, really bad. Let's see if the sauce fixes it. Trying not to double dip here. This sauce, nothing to write home about, to be honest. Mine came out of a can.
We went to this like food court, and we had brisket, and we had what was that? That thing, the meat and the bone.
Ribs.
Ribs. We had
Spare
ribs. We had ribs, and we had some like not cream pies.
Oh, we had a really good cheesecake. That's
Cheesecake.
what we had.
We had some
It was
cheesecake.
Tonight we're going to apparently the best barbecue spot in Fort Worth, which is about like 45 minutes away from here.
Allegedly.
Oh, that's where the good stuff is. Oh my god. That's getting in the B-rolls.
There's your menu up there.
Wait, this
Prices.
must
And that's in the B-rolls right
I
there.
liked the brisket here last time.
What would you recommend?
I saw salad.
You can grab that in the next room. Potato salad. There's also jalapeno bacon mac and cheese. I recommend that side.
Alright, just let me slice it.
Smells amazing. I think
Oh, look at that. Look at that.
Right there.
All right, let me try the jalapeno one now.
Alright, alright.
We're at a strategic.
I'm gonna tape first because my hands will be completely wrecked.
You like spicy?
Yeah.
I never liked
I want to do a reaction of the jalapeno.
Yo, this is not bad.
Not bad? What does it
Yo.
taste like? Is it tangy?
I'll give you a little bite.
Yeah. Okay. Alright, the beef ribs. The beef ribs are highly spoken for. About.
Look at that. No.
barbecue sauce.
What's the comparison to the barbecue we had earlier?
Yeah, this is pretty good.
This is a jalapeno reaction?
it's not that bad.
Uh-oh.
Alright, doing a jalapeno reaction now, so we'll see. Big fan though. I love those free banana peppers they have at In-N-Out. Like that's what I love. So this is what I'm going for. It's like sweet. It's not even spicy. don't think it's spicy. Beef ribs. What is it? Is this the sirloin?
That thing is good.
It says it on the.
This is like a smoked steak.
Mark rings.
Wow. I can't do it. I can't do it.
Yeah.
I will not sell out. I'm just gonna give you my honest opinion. It's pretty damn good. Yeah. It's pretty good.
Pretty good.
Yeah, one comment I had, I was like, I'm just gonna wait for this barbecue to completely crush that like hipster joint we went to today. Just to prove that, you know, like the old school stuff is so much better.
I'll cut you.
Whoa.
Whoa, whoa. That ain't what we had before, fam.
Alright. That's the moo things.
Want some sauce action?
Straight up.
Alright. We'll take one of your reactions.
Alright.
What do you think? What do you think about that beef ribs? Yeah?
Very juicy.
Yeah?
We had beef ribs earlier today. Those are very dry.
Yeah.
This is juicy. This is like perfectly
these are-
charred.
Trying this
Oh yeah, we
questionable
discovered
sauce.
this parquet fresh and creamy taste squeeze. None of this says like what type of food item it is, but it's a squeeze. So, you ready for this money shot? Oh, oh, oh! We're going in. We're doing Southern style. So. Ooh, ooh, that is just like liquid ooze of. I think it's like butter.
I squeezed out some and I looked at it and I sniffed it a little bit and I put it back. I don't think I
That's
wanna.
smart.
I don't
Smart
think
choice.
I wanna.
Everyone takes the bite simultaneously. Quadrifecta.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Yeah, no.
I wouldn't call this a pie, but I get it.
I can't stop. I can't stop.
Give me that. Get over here.
I'm a sucker for this.
It took like, oh.
It's like liquid candy. That's apple now.
It's okay.
I disagree.
What's the verdict?
Wake up with breakouts.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna wake up with breakouts tomorrow. You're
Is
like, bro, what the f are you doing,
a
bro?
poke bowl.
No, you can't say.
God damn it, Anna, we brought you here for clickbait. Don't be f***ing up my videos.